Welcome to the section on day count conventions. In this part, we will discuss the different types of day count conventions, how the annual basis is used for interest calculation, and the day count conventions for G20 currencies. Types of day count conventions. Day count conventions are used in finance to calculate the amount of interest accrued on bonds and other fixed income securities. Let's look at the most common types. 1. Actual by 365 or actual by 366. This convention calculates interest based on the actual number of days in the period and the actual number of days in the year. It is commonly used for money market in some countries, take UK and India. 2. 30 by 360. This method assumes each month has 30 days and each year has 360 days, simplifying interest calculations. It is frequently used for corporate bonds and some municipal bonds. Example: if you hold a bond for 90 days, the calculation would assume 3 months of 30 days each. 3. Actual by 360. This convention uses the actual number of days in the period, but assumes a 360-day year. It is often used in money market instruments and interest rate swaps, currency risk US dollar and euro, etc. Example: if you hold an instrument for 60 days, the calculation would use 360 days in the denominator. 4. Actual by 365 fixed. This method calculates interest based on the actual number of days in the period and a fixed 365-day year, regardless of whether it is a leap year. Commonly used in the UK for bonds and other financial products. Example: if you hold a bond for 180 days, the calculation would use 365 days in the denominator. Annual basis for interest calculation. The annual basis determines how many days are considered in a year for interest calculation purposes. Different conventions can result in slightly different interest amounts, impacting the yield and overall return on investments. Key annual basis types include actual by actual, 30 by 360, actual by 360, actual by 365 fixed. Let's look at the day count conventions used for the major currencies of the G20 countries. 1. United States USD. Convention. Actual by 360. Used for money market instruments. 2. United Kingdom GBP. Convention. Actual by 365 fixed. Used for money market instruments. 3. Eurozone Euro. Convention. Actual by 360. Used for money market instruments. 4. Japan JPY. Convention. Actual by 360. Used for money market instruments. 5. Canada AD. Convention. Actual by 365 fixed. Used for money market instruments. 6. Australia AUD. Convention. Actual by 365 fixed. Used for money market instruments. 7. China CNY. Convention. Actual by 365 fixed. Used for money market instruments. 8. India NR. Convention. Actual by 365 fixed. Used for money market instruments. 9. Brazil BRL. Convention. 252 business days. Used for money market instruments. 10. Russia RUB. Convention. Actual by actual. Used for money market instruments. 11. South Africa AR. Convention. Actual by 365 fixed. Used for money market instruments. 12. South Korea KRW. Convention. Actual by 365 fixed. Used for money market instruments. 13. Mexico MXN. Convention. Actual by 360. Used for money market instruments. 14. Indonesia. Convention. Actual by 360. Used for money market instruments. 15. Saudi Arabia SAR. Convention. Actual by 360. Used for money market instruments. 16 Turkey try. Convention. Actual by 360. Used for money market instruments. 17 Argentina. Convention. Actual by 360. Used for money market instruments. 18 Italy Euro. Convention. Actual by 360. Used for money market instruments. 19 France Euro. Convention. Actual by 360. Used for money market instruments. 20 Germany Euro. Convention. Actual by 360. Used for money market instruments. Understanding day count conventions and the annual basis for interest calculation is crucial for accurately determining interest payments and yields on various financial instruments. Awareness of the conventions used for different currencies helps in making informed investment decisions and managing international portfolios. In the next section, we will delve into the value dates and business day conventions. Stay tuned. Thank you for joining me in this section. We will continue exploring the intricacies of financial markets in the upcoming slides.